Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Financial Podcast with me, your host, Olivia. Today, we're diving deep into a significant leadership transition in the financial technology sector, focusing on a major player that powers much of the financial intelligence across global markets, FactSet Research Systems, known by its ticker FDS. This is a story not just about a change at the top, but about strategic vision, market outlook, and the future direction of a company that is absolutely central to how financial professionals around the world make decisions. So let's get right into it. FactSet has recently announced a pivotal leadership change, with Sanoke Viswanathan stepping into the role of Chief Executive Officer. This appointment is set to become effective in early September of next year, 2025. This means we're looking at a carefully planned and extended transition period, which is often a very positive sign for investors and stakeholders, as it indicates a smooth handover rather than an abrupt departure. Sanoke Viswanathan will be taking the reins from Phil Snow, who, after an impressive 30-year career with FactSet, including a decade as its CEO, has decided to retire. Phil Snow's tenure has truly been transformative for FactSet, and his contributions have left an indelible mark on the company. He will continue to serve as a senior advisor until the end of 2025, ensuring that continuity remains a priority during this significant change. This commitment to a seamless transition underscores the company's dedication to stability and continued performance. Now, let's talk about the incoming leader, Sanoke Viswanathan, because his background offers crucial insights into FactSet's future direction. Viswanathan is a seasoned global business leader with a remarkable 15-year career at JP Morgan Chase. His most recent role there was as the CEO of International Consumer and Wealth, where he was also a key member of JP Morgan's operating committee. This experience is incredibly relevant, as it directly aligns with FactSet's strategic focus on wealth management and international markets. During his time at JP Morgan, Viswanathan was responsible for launching the international consumer business. He also led strategic acquisitions and forged key alliances in the global wealth management and digital banking sectors. These initiatives were crucial in positioning these businesses for long-term growth across diverse global markets. His expertise extends far beyond just consumer and wealth. Prior to these roles, he served as Chief Strategy and Growth Officer for JP Morgan from 2022 to 2024, and also as Chief Administrative Officer of JP Morgan's Corporate and Investment Bank. His career began even before his extensive time at JP Morgan at McKinsey & Company, where he rose to become the co-head of the global corporate and investment banking practice. In this capacity, he worked with both buy-side and sell-side financial institutions across the globe. This diverse and deep experience in strategy, innovation, and operations across banking, capital markets, and wealth management makes him an exceptional fit for FactSet, a company deeply embedded in these very segments of the financial ecosystem. Robin A. Abrams, who is an independent director and the chair of FactSet's board of directors, expressed immense excitement about Viswanathan's appointment. She highlighted his proven track record of leading and transforming global organizations, coupled with his expertise in implementing technology-driven growth strategies at scale. This emphasis on technology, particularly his background in AI, research, and analytics, is a strong indicator of where FactSet intends to strengthen its capabilities going forward. The board clearly sees Viswanathan's unique understanding of FactSet's customer base and his strategic vision as critical for the company's next phase of growth. Reflecting on Phil Snow's legacy, the board also extended its gratitude for his unwavering leadership. Under his guidance over the past decade, FactSet has achieved truly impressive milestones. The company has more than doubled its revenue, and it has delivered annualized double-digit earnings per share growth and total shareholder return. These are significant achievements that speak volumes about the strong foundation he built, successfully positioning FactSet for this next era. It's a testament to his leadership that this transition is occurring from a position of strength, not necessity, allowing FactSet to seek fresh perspectives while maintaining its established strategic direction. FactSet itself is a global financial digital platform and enterprise solutions provider. It plays a pivotal role in supercharging financial intelligence for its clients. Its cutting edge digital platform is designed to seamlessly integrate proprietary financial data, client data sets, and third party sources. All powered by flexible technology. This comprehensive approach allows FactSet to deliver tailored solutions across a wide range of sectors, including the buy side, sell side, wealth management, private equity, and corporate sectors. With over 47 years of expertise and a presence in 20 countries, FactSet boasts extensive multi-asset class coverage. The company is actively leveraging advanced data connectivity, artificial intelligence, and next-generation tools to streamline workflows, drive productivity, and enable smarter, faster decision-making for its impressive client base of over 8,600 global clients and nearly 220,000 individual users. As a member of the S&P 500, FactSet's dedication to innovation and long-term client success remains a core pillar of its strategy.
Now, let's pivot to FactSet's recent financial performance and what analysts are saying about its outlook. In its recent quarterly report released on March 20th, 2025, FactSet demonstrated some robust figures alongside specific challenges. The company reported a 4.1% year-over-year growth in organic annual subscription value, or ASV, which is a key metric for subscription-based businesses like FactSet. This growth signals a positive outlook for the second half of the fiscal year. The company achieved an adjusted operating margin of 37.3% and an adjusted diluted EPS of $4.28, both indicating strong financial performance. FactSet also highlighted a robust sales pipeline, expressing confidence in its ability to reach the midpoint of its 5% organic ASV growth guidance. The wealth segment in particular has seen significant growth, with notable wins such as UBS selecting FactSet to power their advisor desktops. Furthermore, recent acquisitions, including LiquidityBook and Irwin, are expected to drive cross-selling opportunities and contribute to FactSet's overall growth trajectory. However, it's not all smooth sailing. FactSet has faced some challenges, particularly in the asset management and banking sectors, where some large losses have impacted overall results. A lower CPI, or Consumer Price Index, also resulted in a reduced year-over-year annual price increase, creating a headwind for ASV growth. The company also experienced a seven-figure cancellation due to the proactive retirement of a legacy solution, which affected growth in the asset management segment. FactSet acknowledges that it is operating in a challenging market environment with ongoing macroeconomic uncertainties, and the banking sector remains tough, with no significant improvement in deal flow, impacting the company's reliance on this segment for growth. Moving to the financial outlook and expert perspectives, Wall Street analysts have offered a range of one-year price targets for FactSet. The average target price stands at $442.29, with a high projection of $503 and low of $380. Based on the current market price of $456.56, these estimates collectively suggest a potential downside of 3.12%. The consensus recommendation from a group of 21 brokerage firms places the stock's average brokerage recommendation at 3.2, which indicates a hold status on a scale where 1 is a strong buy and 5 is a sell. This suggests that while analysts aren't necessarily bearish, they're not seeing immediate, significant upside based on their models. However, a different perspective comes from Guru Focus, which provides its own valuation overview. According to Guru Focus's estimates, the estimated GF value for FactSet 1 year from now stands at $521.81. This estimation hints at a potential upside of 14.29% from the current stock price of $456.56. The GF value represents Guru Focus's calculation of the fair market value, which is derived from historical multiples, prior business growth, and projected future performance metrics.
This divergence in valuation highlights the differing methodologies and assumptions used by various market participants, offering a broader picture for investors to consider. Adding another layer of insight, TipRanks' AI analyst, known as Spark, has assessed FactSet and rated it as an outperform. Spark's analysis points to FactSet's robust financial performance, characterized by strong revenue growth and profitability. However, it also flags that technical analysis indicates mixed signals, suggesting caution might be warranted. The AI also highlights that the company's high valuation presents potential risks. While recent earnings calls and corporate events provide a balanced view, underscoring both strategic growth and sector specific challenges, Spark's overall conclusion is that FactSet is well positioned for future growth, but needs to navigate valuation concerns and broader market uncertainties effectively. So, what does this all mean for FactSet's future? The appointment of Sanoke Viswanathan is more than just a change in leadership. It's a strategic alignment designed to propel FactSet into its next phase of growth, particularly emphasizing innovation and leveraging advanced technologies like AI and data analytics. His deep roots in banking, capital markets, and wealth management, combined with his strategic and operational acumen, are expected to foster continued innovation and client-centric solutions. The company is clearly committed to maintaining its strong financial footing, as evidenced by its robust organic ASV growth and profitability. Despite facing headwinds in certain segments like asset management and banking, and the impact of legacy system retirement, FactSet's focus on a robust sales pipeline and strategic acquisitions positions it to overcome these challenges. The careful planning of the CEO transition, with Phil Snow remaining as a senior advisor, further strengthens the confidence in the company's stable future trajectory. Ultimately, FactSet is navigating a dynamic financial landscape, but with a new leader who brings a fresh perspective and a strong track record of technological integration and global expansion. The divergent analyst and valuation views underscore the complexity, yet also the potential that investors see in FactSet. It's a company at a fascinating juncture, poised to build on its strong legacy and adapt to the evolving demands of financial intelligence. Thank you for joining me on Financial Podcast. I hope this in-depth look into FactSet's leadership transition and financial outlook has provided you with valuable insights. We'll be back next time with more crucial updates from the world of finance. Until then, keep investing wisely and always remember to do your own thorough research. Goodbye for now.